Hey everybody. More happy mail. Can you guess where it's from? Stay tuned if you want to see what's inside. Welcome back. So, you guys. Oh, love and happy mail. We are rolling. Now that October is over, we are rolling right along, finishing out the rest of the year. So, Simply Gilded, you know, one of those big name brand shops that everybody loves to purchase from. I am a former subscriber myself, so I understand. So when I saw that this winter wonderland box is available, I didn't even second guess. I said, oops, let me go ahead and order this box. You guys, I ordered this box, I believe it was Thursday or Friday. Today is Monday and it's already here. I mean, you've just got to love quick, fast customer service. So let's open this together. Wow. Oh my goodness. This box is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Definitely got to find something to use this for. I don't know. Maybe I need to cut this up and put it in a frame. Maybe put some pictures around it. I don't know. It's just beautiful. It's pretty. So pretty. Everything is nicely packaged, sturdy, high quality. Of course, the box. You know, as always. I like these boxes because you can reuse them for, anything. If Christmas time is coming up, you may need to wrap some gifts. Why not reuse, repurpose, and reuse? So first off, you get this pretty, it's a postcard, but I like to use them as little journaling cards to stick in your pocket. Because who would want to mail this off? Look at the foil on the card. It's just so pretty. Maybe this is something I can also put in a frame. Because you just don't want to mess up something that's so pretty and beautiful. So, of course, you get the little tissue paper, shredded tissue paper. I'm in love with the pouch. The pouch. Y'all, let's look at the pouch. Or maybe I should save this till last. Yeah, let's save it till last. Oh my goodness, it's like Christmas. And so the bottom of the box is stamped again with the Simply Gilded emblem. Their socials, and it's just a pretty box, just beautiful. So let's get to the contents of what's inside. I have always wanted one of these. This is what you call a washi. I believe it's a washi holder, washi roll holder. I can't even figure out. Okay, here's how you open it. I think this is it, what this is. But it has a protective film on it. So if I peel that film off, it has an iridescent glitter to it, shine to it. That's so pretty. I wonder what that is. Let me see if I can find the packaging slip that comes with it to let you know the contents of what's inside. I don't know. If you guys know what it is, comment below because I cannot find it. Yep. It's the washi stand. So I found that inside the pouch. So, and it has Simply Gilded etched in the stand. So, you'd put this, to assemble this, you'd pop this together. And there's your stand. So you put your washi in this way. Put your washi in from the bottom and then clip it, and it stands and sits upright on your desk. That's so cute. I've never owned one of those, but I'm glad that I've got one. Let's look at this sticker kit. Simply Gilded always has the most beautiful washi, beautiful kits. I still have kits that I've purchased like from a year or so ago, and I've hoarded them. I keep them in this folio here, and I hoard them. That's something else, but there's, you see? And this, I think this was from like 2 Christmases ago with the bows. So I am a true Simply Gilded fan. I've collected the folios, and so it looks like I'm going to get another one, but let's just take it one step at a time. So you get your sampler freebie, and it's in a pretty like mint green color. Green tone, which I think pairs beautifully with pink and white or gold and black, or you know, it's just a pretty Christmas color. So here you just have a little barn. It says Season's Greetings, and then you just have some icons and then some bullets with the little ribbons and some with the hearts. So that was the freebie sampler. Now we get into the deco sheet. You have the little foil in the wreaths. And then you have the, I guess that's a deer. And the wintry scenery. It's very, very pretty. And then you've got your boxes, deco boxes, with some of the, I wonder, is this a full box? Very pretty. The scripts up here, family, family, gratitude, work. What does that say? Oh, that's a tracker. It's just a beautiful kit. And it's called Magical Winter. Don't know if it's sold separately. Possibly. It's possible that it's sold. But then you get your day of the week headers. And I'm assuming this would fit maybe like a standard HP kit or any vertical kit. And I just love these boxes. And it has that, it's that kind of silky material to it, so you probably would need to write on these in a ballpoint pen or some type of permanent non-smearing ink. And then the little bows, how cute is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was the kit itself. So let's get back into this bag. So this was this bag is very nice. It could be used as a makeup bag, toiletry bag. It's just nice. But I'm always very interested in the washi that goes along. So let's dig into that first. Woo! I love their washi. Oh, I love the washi. So here we are. I think I have this one or something similar to it. But you get this washi that has like the little decorations hanging from it, like it's a garland. So this is very pretty. It's like almost like a snowflake effect. So there's the blush, and then you get like the mint green with the gold. Do you see that? Beautiful. And then these are the two that I like to call the deco. They are in a palish pink color. I know they may be showing up on my video as white, but it's a pale pink. And then the winter scene washi. I'll probably try to swatch some of these and then put a put a photo up on my Instagram account. But for those that have never seen a washi tape tower, what you do is you take this out and then you would stack your washi. So after I, of course, puncture this, I would just stack my washi. And that's a very nice way to store and display, just the different seasonal washi. And I dropped one. Hold on one second, because there's 4, 5 washi. And this right here, my friends, I believe is a bookmark. It is. So you slide this on the corner of your page. So if this were a page in my planner, I would just slide it on the corner like that, and it's a bookmark. And it holds your place. And I like that because it doesn't interfere or pull up your stickers or bend your page. And it enables you to lay your pages flat so that they close a little more flatter. This is a bow charm, which will go. I have been needing some of these because I use these to store stickers, like a sticker storage. So, yeah. So the bow charm would go here at the bottom. And then you've got enough space to store not only Simply Gilded stickers, but any type of stickers that you need. So for this other Simply Gilded binder, I was storing my scripts, like my holiday scripts, and my numbers, because I'm usually reaching for those a lot. So I don't know what I'll put in this one, but I like how the colors go so nicely. So we've got that. And then I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is a coaster. So when I'm sipping hot tea or hot coffee, just put this on the corner of my desk and put my drink there. It's very pretty. And then you get the pen that comes in the matching color of the kit. And it is like a, what do you call it? Like a fine tip. I don't have anything to write on. Let's see here. Ooh, writes magical. It just flows across the page. Not sure what size tip that is, but for those of you that know a little more about pens than I do and the different sizes, you would be able to tell me what size tip that is. And then you get these cute sticky notes. And I just love the little specks of shimmer and foil. This is very pretty. So I'm just loving everything. I love the bag. I love the fact that I can just put this in here like this. Keep it all tucked in nicely until I am ready to pull it out and use it. So yes, I think this is still available for purchase. I think it is about $50. So if you're very interested in this, make sure that you head on over and purchase it. Y'all, the packaging is just simply marvelous. Like, I don't know if it could get any prettier than this. So thank you all for watching. This is the winter box from Simply Gilded. If you're very happy to have made this purchase. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.